Hey everyone, welcome back to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio, and in today's TonOrbital video guide, I'm going to walk you through how to buy your very first NFT on GetGems. If you're ready to dive into the world of NFTs on Ton blockchain, let's get started. First things first, to buy an NFT on GetGems, you need a TonKeeper wallet or any other Ton-compatible wallet that GetGems supports, along with some Ton tokens. Let's head over to GetGems and browse through the marketplace. Before we begin, click on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your preferred wallet from the list of compatible options and follow the prompts to successfully connect your wallet. On the GetGems homepage, you'll find some suggestions and a top collection section where you can filter by time period. As you scroll further down, you can explore various collections and NFTs. You can also use the search bar to find specific collections you're looking for, like the one we created earlier, Flutterwings. Now, let's explore and find an NFT we'd like to buy. Now let's take some time to explore the marketplace and see what kind of NFTs are available. We'll browse through the collections, check out the different styles and options, and find an NFT that catches our eye, one that we'd like to purchase. Here we've found a pixelated owl NFT collection that looks pretty cool. On the left menu you'll find various filters to choose from. For example, you can filter NFTs that are for sale or those up for auction. We're going to select for sale and buy an NFT right away. Let's select this one. Let's talk about the rarity score you see next to NFTs on GetGems. The rarity score is a calculated number that ranks how rare an NFT is within its collection. The lower the number, the rarer the NFT. For example, an NFT with a rarity score of 1 is the rarest in its collection. Most NFTs have unique attributes like background color, shape, size, and even glow. Each attribute has a frequency within the collection. For example, if only 209 out of 10,000 NFTs have a specific color like Andromeda, that attribute is considered rare. The more unique combinations of rare attributes an NFT has, the rarer it is. If you're looking for a long-term investment, rarer NFTs generally hold more value. Now, when you're ready to buy an NFT, you have two options: buy now or make an offer. With buy now, you can instantly purchase the NFT at the listed price. Now with make an offer, you have the flexibility to propose a custom price. Even if the NFT isn't currently listed for sale, you can set your offer amount and the duration of how long the offer will remain valid. The Ton tokens you offer will be held or frozen until the owner either accepts or declines. If the offer is accepted, the NFT will be yours. If it expires or is rejected, your funds will automatically be returned to your wallet. We'll select the buy now option to instantly purchase the NFT. After that, we'll simply confirm the transaction in our wallet and the NFT will be transferred to us right away. And that's it, you've successfully bought your first NFT on GetGems. Here you can see a list of previous owners and the prices at which the NFT was sold. It also shows to whom it was transferred and who minted the NFT, along with the exact timestamps. Everything is clearly displayed, and you can see the transactions in TonViewer by clicking this little arrow. Here, you can choose to put your NFT up for sale, just like I showed you in our previous TonOrbital video guide, or you can choose to transfer your NFT to anyone you like. I hope this guide made it easy to understand how to navigate the marketplace and complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the Ton ecosystem. See you in the next video.